Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw Solana on Phantom Wallet. In order to do this, you first need to come to the Phantom Wallet application and then you just have to log in into your account. After that, in order to receive Solana, you just have to select Solana on the home page and then you need to tap on the receive button over here. Now once this step is done, you will be able to see the QR code as well as the deposit address. So you just have to copy this address from here and then you need to launch that particular exchange or the wallet that you are going to use in order to deposit your Solana into Phantom Wallet. For this sake of this video, I'm going to use my Binance application. So you just have to launch Binance and then tap on the wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, select the spot option in the top. Now you need to select Solana and then select the withdrawal option in the bottom. After that, select send via crypto network option. Once done, you will be landed on this page where in the address section you need to provide the address that we have just copied from our Phantom wallet. After that, in the network section you need to make sure that the Solana network is selected. Then in the withdrawal section, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw and then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, on the next page, you need to follow further instructions in order to initiate and conclude your transaction. And once this step is done, you just have to wait for some time until you get your Solana into your Phantom wallet. So this was the process of depositing Solana into your Phantom wallet. Now is the time to withdraw your Solana from the Phantom wallet. So it's quite easy as well. So you need to come to the home page, then tap on the send button and select Solana. After that, it will ask you to provide the name and the address of the destination wallet. So you need to open any of the wallets in which you want to withdraw your Solana, and from there you just have to provide the deposit address and paste it over here. Press the next button in the bottom. On the next page, you need to just enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw from your Phantom wallet. Then you need to simply initiate and conclude your transaction. Now once you do this, you will be able to withdraw your Solana from your Phantom wallet. So that was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.